Children's Lottery Fund and Historic England, and working in partnership, the Canal and River Trust and the National Trust are restoring this iconic Grade 2 star listed building, which used to be stables for the Corporation of Birmingham.
This particular project is really quite unique. It's very important for our students to be able to learn heritage skills which, unless they have these opportunities, those skills could be lost.
Hello, my name's David Stoich. I study bricklaying at Southend City Birmingham College.
My name's Jordan Edgar. I'm on level 3 electrical installation. Previously I've done level 1 and level 2 at Southend City College, Bourneville. So we're at the Roundhouse. This is my second work placement I've done. And I'm just doing general electrical duties.
The NFB bursary money helps me gain more tools for the job that I'm doing, because the tools that I had currently were more for the modern day.
I think what the NFB do is great because it helps people that come and work experience afford to get there, have food on the job, and also again pay for their own tools.
Over the period of the build here, there'll be 13 students in total who will have completed work placements, ranging from 1 week, 2 weeks, some slightly longer. We have students from carpentry and joinery. We have students from bricklaying here, civil engineering, electrical, construction management, building services. So there's quite a wide variety of students, ranging from 17-year-olds right up to, I think the oldest is about 42. From all different walks of life, from level 2 right up to the HND. So there's a broad spectrum of students that are interested in gaining the skills that can be offered on the Roundhouse project here.
So when the project's finished and it's open, I'll definitely bring in my friends and family. I don't think they'll be very interested in what I've done, but with the building itself, I think they'll really like it.
I do appreciate the opportunity that I was given, and I'm still learning day by day about the building. Every day I'm learning.
We're very grateful, our students who live in and around Birmingham can have that opportunity to be part of history, really.